remember as a lawyer that oration is not good enough. Substance counts when you appear before the court of law. And I'm saying this because in 2017, when he had a similar petition before your lordships, some of the advocates who are in that petition, acting for the respondents, when we presented our petition, said that what we presented before the court was a science fiction. And I'm not surprised that even at the beginning, and it's well covered in the media, that what we have presented before you is fiction. And because it is fiction, you had a lot of speeches which I think do not belong to a courtroom. They probably should have been delivered in some theater where people love poetry, like my London friend, Professor Gidu Muigai, whom I know, having attended the same